साधु दर्शनम पाप विमोचनम योगः चित्तवृत्ति निरोधः योगः कर्मसु कौशलम समत्वम योग उच्यते यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा. The faculty of contemplation is high power concentration. Yoga darshana is not like other darshanas. It is acceptable for all. The whole society is able to follow. From the scientist to the local layman, yoga is acceptable. The great masters of psychology, the great doctors of medicine, the great scientists of science, the grammarians, all, every human being, including animals, is in yoga. It has varieties of sections, but yoga is a universal darshana, acceptable for all, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, varna, ashrama, kula and gotra. So the sixth step or the sixth limb called contemplation becomes the basement for the seventh step called meditation. Now, what is the connection between meditation and contemplation? Be very attentive and be very careful. Meditation is the process of doing nothing. I repeat once more. Meditation is the process of doing nothing. Not sleeping. But the experience that you gain in meditation is almost like sleeping. In sleeping, you are not aware about the joy that you enjoy. But in meditation, you are enjoying every moment of your meditation. Not that what we hear from people say, Swamiji, I used to sit half an hour in meditation. That is not meditation. That is a part of contemplation. Once more, meditation is the process of doing nothing. The mind is not cognizing anything. The sense organs are not accepting any informations. The intellect is not taking any decision. The ego is not enjoying anything. So, only Chittam, the 14th organ, is only functioning. Let us see that in detail tomorrow. Om शांति शांति शांति।